everyone, this is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp, back again with regular updates of job notification, be it IT jobs, diploma jobs, government jobs or any other job notification. We also provide you with regular announcements of off-campus job or walk-in jobs held in all over India. Today in this video, here I am with the latest announcement of the Zoho Corporation Off-Campus Driving 2024 hiring freshers as software developer. If you're new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do subscribe, like, share and comment down any queries, and also do not forget to hit the bell icon for more further updates. Zoho is an Indian multinational technology that makes business web tools. Zoho has announced an off-campus hiring in its official career website. Candidates who are interested can apply from the registration link which have been given in our description box, and all the candidates are requested to go through the detailed information before applying for the post. Fresher candidates having any BE or BTech degree from any batches can apply for this post. The job location will be Chennai and the candidates can expect one of the best salary in industry. Candidates need to design and develop high volume and low latency applications. Candidates need to assure top tier availability and performance. Contribute to all the phases of the product development life cycles. Write well designed, testable and efficient code. Candidates need to ensure designs comply with specifications. Prepare and produce releases of software components. Support continuous improvement by suggesting technologies and presenting those technologies for architectural view. So I hope this video was useful to you. So thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more further updates. This is Rashi Ghosh from Freshers Camp. We'll be back again with regular updates of job notification from all over India. Till then, see you.